Hello, everyone. Hello, welcome to EDC Blockchain. Tomorrow, by the way, our CEO will be speaking at World Esports and Blockchain Summit Models in Singapore. We are pleased to represent innovative EDC blockchain microphone process in front of visitors from more than 20 countries. Now you can get acquainted with the current view on the latest industry news from EDC Blockchain CEO Vaz Agiazar on his official Twitter page. Vaz Agiazar's interesting thoughts, his interpretation of important news of the crypto sphere, coverage of incoming company events, and useful tips on using the tools of our platform are waiting for you. On his Twitter account, you can get to know Vaz, learn about his interests and hobbies, and appreciate his horizons. Besides EDC Blockchain Growth on News, Vaz will share bright moments of his business and personal life, hear his thoughts, value important events from the field of blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies, and provide his expert opinion on many issues that sprouse interest. At EDC Blockchain, companies constantly expanding, attracting new experts from various technological fields. We proudly present our new advisor, Cho. Yang Cho specialized software development in blockchain technology, and he has a very extensive experience in technical product development as well as an executive managing of several technological companies. He's the CEO of Crypto Valley Lab, which specializes in developing blockchain solutions, artificial intelligence, and decentralized finance. He's also the CSO of 3K Finance, a company specializing in cybersecurity. He's a good expert, and EDC Blockchain Management welcomes the new expert joining its advisory board and looks forward to a long and productive collaboration. Well, thank you for being here once again. I want to present you EDC Blockchain technologies. The technologies likely to have the greatest impact on the next few decades that have arrived, and this is the underlying technology of digital currencies like EDC blockchain coin. It's called blockchain. Well, blockchain is not the most sonorous word in the world, but we all believe that it's now the next generation of the internet, and that it holds vast promise for every business, every society, and all of us individually. EDC blockchain is a global platform with its blockchain as well as own cryptocurrency exchange and marketing opportunities, providing ready-made blockchain solutions for any type of business and startup. EDC blockchain is based on graphene technology. In fact, graphene technology is the only blockchain system with an industrial level of productivity, which performs really enough for large socioeconomic systems. While this is the fastest blockchain existing at the moment, and when applying optimization, it is able to process up to 100,000 transactions per second, which is so times faster than some of the largest financial providers in the world. In any centralized system, like a database holding key information about driving licenses in a country, a central administrator has the authority to maintain and update the database. The task of making any updates, like adding, deleting, updating names of people qualified for certain licenses, is performed by a central authority that remains the sole in charge of maintaining general records. Public blockchains, however, that operate as decentralized, self-regulating systems work on a global scale without any single authority. They involve contributions from hundreds of thousands of participants. Nowadays, it's millions of participants who work in the verification, authentication of transactions occurring on the blockchain and on block mining activities. In such a dynamically changing status of the blockchain, these publicly shared ledgers need an efficient, fair, real-time, functional, reliable, and secure mechanism to ensure that all these transactions occurring on the network are genuine and all participants agree on a consensus on the status of the ledger. This all-important task is performed by the consensus mechanism, which is a set of rules that are decided on the contributions by various participants of the blockchain. There are different kinds of consensus mechanism algorithms which work on different principles. One of them is proof of work. Whereas a common consensus algorithm used by the most popular cryptocurrency networks, one of them is the biggest cryptocurrency at the moment in the market right now, with more than 60% dominance. Yeah, the other one based on the same protocol but differs in the terms of the hashing algorithm. It requires a participant node to prove that the work done and submitted by them qualifies them to receive the right to add new transactions to the blockchain. However, this whole mining mechanism needs high energy consumption and longer processing time. Well, the proof of stake is another common consensus algorithm that evolved as a low cost, low energy consuming alternative to proof of work algorithm. It involves allocation of responsibility in maintaining the public ledger to a participant node in proportion to the number of virtual currency tokens held by it. Well, this comes with a drawback that it promotes cryptocurrency saving instead of spending. Similarly, that other consensus algorithm like proof of capacity, which allows sharing of memory space to the contributing nodes on the blockchain network. The more memory hard disk space a node has, the more rights is granted for maintaining the public ledger. EDC Blockchain is one of the pioneers, which is mining algorithm to the least proof of stake, which is a mechanism of consensus that has significant advantages. For example, it tracks all users regardless of their stake to work in protecting and securing the network and distributes the reward fairly, as each participant receives a share in proportion to the contribution. Well, this is an excellent opportunity for everyone, even for owners with small number of coins, to get stable rewards on a daily basis. Well, least proof of stake as an enhanced version of proof of stake. In a regular proof of stake system, each node that holds a certain amount of cryptocurrency is eligible to add the next block to the blockchain. But in the least proof of stake LPOS system, on EDC blockchain platform, for example, users can lease their coins to masternodes. With LPOS algorithm, the user will have the opportunity to lease EDC coins from the wallet to the masternode, which can accrue a daily percentage as a reward. The essence of the algorithm is that owners of smaller amounts of cryptocurrency lease their coins to full-fledged nodes, while the nodes from a block, therefore, the owners receive their share of the total reward. Due to the initiation of stimulation of network members with smaller amounts, the level of security is also increased, which provides us the highest level of network security. Well, you can also tokenize your own business. You can create your own tokens on a platform using Coin Constructor. It could be done for startups, crowdfunding, and whatsoever, any type of business. Creating our own ecosystem is the global objective. Users can create their tokens and exchange them in the marketplace for other people's products and services. For the convenience of interacting with the system, the developers have created package solutions. Users will be able to choose one of the following packages creating cryptocurrency. They are basic, plus, or premium, depending on budget and tasks. This is a unique opportunity to create fully or partially custom tokens. You'll be able to release various projects with us, from a simple token for low turnover to a full-fledged cryptocurrency with advanced features. Thanks to the EDC blockchain coin constructor, you no longer need powerful computing technology so far as a special code reliably protect your digital assets. We have free access to the currency using a client and a wallet, as well as EDC blockchain will even help us with listing our token on its partner exchanges throughout the world. The advantages of the platform are endless. Well, the most obvious one is the savings programmers and hosting. All coin holders emerge in the masternode, right? Well, it's a certain kind of pool in which we lease our coins by allowing the node to mine EC and bring bonuses to all of us on a daily basis. In order for a node to become a masternode, you need to collect a certain amount of coins on it, which will be captured for a certain period of time. So mining process, create new coins. Obviously, masternode is a network computer with an EDC wallet running on it that captures the number of coins and provides network security when implementing important functions such as instant confirmation of instant transactions, as well as ensuring network voting. The C blockchain community reportedly exceeds 1 million people all over the world, while cryptocurrency is used by people in more than 7 countries, it is actively focused on the Southeast Asian, Latin American, and European markets. Provided with the advanced development of the EDC blockchain team, for example, ACRA is an online assist that functions based on artificial intelligence, allows people with any level of competence to use our platform. So, and I don't have to worry about if you're not an advanced user of PC, well, the ACRA online assistant is always there to help you. So you can use this wallet, and this wallet interface is very friendly. Now going, EC will be integrated with the into the marketplace, equal marketplace, with globalized e-commerce. Well, equal marketplace is a modern e-commerce platform that uses EDC blockchain and ACRA artificial intelligence. With the help of marketplace, entrepreneurs get the tools to present their business to millions upon millions of members of the EDC community and build a relationship with their customers. And consumers, on the other hand, have the best offer from proven by all criteria ecosystem producers. Speaking up, we have wonderful opportunities to earn on market volatility. I mean, we just buy this on exchanges, then we hold it until the price is good enough to sell. In today's world of cryptocurrency, they say hodlers. Well, you can become a hodler and then buy it and hold on the wallet, and you have a possibility of earning on market volatility. That being said, let's look at some crucial points of trading, right? So you have some money that you want to invest. How are you going to go about it? The portals which connect our world to the crypto worlds are called exchanges. You can check on our website in the section called exchanges. You can do your own research and choose your exchange and sign up for one. So let's start trading. The cryptocurrency market is still considered very new, and beyond hearing the term cryptocurrency, most people are still very much unfamiliar with the industry. Nascent markets have a number of qualities that make them inherently volatile. Limited liquidity exists within the market if you compare to more established markets like traditional economies, including the foreign exchange market, also called Forex. To put it into perspective, the total value of all the money in the world is more than 215 billion. Oh, sorry, it's $215 trillion. While total cryptocurrency market cap is hovering around 250 billion. Right now, nowadays, it's fallen down. And today is like $287 billion or so. But it's volatile. I said a week ago it was 250 billion. What daily cryptocurrency trading volumes are around the 80 billion mark, while daily forex trades are closer to 5 trillion. There's a difference. The spread, the difference between the buy and sell price, and the difference between the buy and sell price of foreign currency trades will be a few pennies at the most, while spreads of cryptocurrency trades can be as high as few dollars. All these points out, all these points to a very thin market that naturally moves very quickly and thus increases the volatility of cryptocurrency prices. A large number of new adapters are also joining the market every single day. Many of these members will have significant invested interest in the price of cryptocurrencies going either up or down. We call it, there are two types of enthusiasts in the cryptocurrency market. There are bulls and bears. Right? If bulls are winning, then the prices going up are going up. When bears are winning, bears make the price go down. Let's see. This adds to the disruptive nature of the market and further increased volatility. Supply and demand is the most important determinant of cryptocurrency prices. This is a basic economic principle. If a cryptocurrency has a high token supply with little demand from takers and users, then the cryptocurrency's value will drop. Conversely, if a supply of a particular cryptocurrency is limited and the demand is high, then the value of the coin will increase. Like the one top cryptocurrency that I was talking about, it has a limited supply of 21 million cryptocurrency tokens, and of course, it is dominant on the market. Has more than 60% of dominance. So this is why it has a very high price right now. This is linked to the scarcity element that drives our price and is one of the factors that makes the price progressively climb to its highest levels. The supply of EDC blockchain is 6 billion EDC. Circulating amount is at around 2.6 billion EDC. EDC least amount on the supernode is at 3.4 billion EDC. And these numbers are changing every day. So you need to be aware of that and keep that in mind. You also receive automatic bonuses from leasing your coin to the masternode. Right, lease your EDC to the masternode and receive daily bonuses right in the wallet. Well, open your EDC wallet, obviously. Lease your coin for a certain period of time, 3, 6, 12 months, and receive daily rewards right on your wallet. Within 3 months, you receive 8% monthly, which is divided by 30 days, and it's 0.27% per day. Within 6 months, you receive 10% monthly, which is divided by 30 days, and it's 0.33% per day. And within 12 months, within a whole year, you receive a 12% monthly, which is divided by 30 days, and it's 0.5%, 0.4% per day. Let's say you lease 100,000 EDC for 3 months. Then at the end of the period, you'll have 124,000 EDC with 8,000 every month, 266 EDC every day. If you lease 100,000 EDC for 6 months, then at the end of the period, you'll have 160,000 EDC and 10,000 every month and 333 EDC every day. Well, if you lease the same amount for a year, 12 months, then at the end of the period, you'll have 244,000 EDC with 12,000 EDC a month and 400 EDC on a daily basis. Okay. Well, these opportunities can be shared with other people, and having introduced partners to the business, you receive interest from daily accruals of your partners. Well, let's take a look at the compensation plan. Well, the first level should contain at least 3 partners with minimum amount at least 30,000 EDC. Certainly, we can have more partners on any level. We can earn bonuses by teaching people cryptocurrency market opportunities and receive rewards every single day. On the second level, we have at least 9 people with a minimum amount at least 30,000 EDC. This provides efficiency in building the structure and the ability to receive more rewards. If we teach at least 3 partners to properly build a structure for effective work, which will allow us to extract maximum benefits in this case, then of course, in the future it will be even easier to work, which will make room for energy to start working with new people, because the company has not limited the number of introduced partners. Therefore, we need to see things from a far distance in order to understand the whole point. Returning to a compensation plan. So, on the third level, we have 27 people with the same 30,000 EDC in one shot. It can't be several transactions. It can't be like 10,000 EDC and then 10,000 EDC, then 10,000 EDC. Not like that. 30,000 EDC in one single transaction. Okay. And from the fourth level, conditions are simplified like that. To qualify for the fourth level, number 4, we must fulfill the following conditions. Right? We already have 100 people in our team at least, okay? Overall, not on the fourth line. Total number of partners in the team is 100 people, okay? I remind you that having more partners is always possible and welcome, okay? The total volume is more than 3.5 million EDC, okay? It's It's a group turnover of the team. It's not the turnover on the 4th level. No, it's the turnover of overall team, okay? So let's see. Let's add 90,000 EDC on the 1st level, okay? 9,000 EDC on the 1st level. You add 270,000 EDC from the 2nd level. When you fulfill the conditions for the 2nd level, at least a minimum amount of EDC leads in your team will be 360,000 EDC, okay? And then with you fulfilling the conditions of the 3rd level, you have 1,170,000 EDC amount leads with total number of partners 39, I guess. It's basic 39. Yes, 39 people. Total number of partners in your team 39. So in order for you to qualify for the next level, you only need 2,330,000 EDC to your group turnover, and total number of partners should increase by 61 partners, okay? Because you already have 39 partners if you work on minimums, okay? But of course you have more partners because you work effectively, okay? So people who have experience on this area, they know that it's easy to work with such marketing plan, okay? So further, we're up to the 5th level. Here the total amount of volume is 9 million EDC. Minimum number of partners, the whole team of 300 people, okay? The total number of partners, 300. Group turnover is 9 million, okay? 9 million. So to qualify for the 6th level, the total number of people in the structure is 1,000 people, okay? 1,000 people with a total volume of 30 million EDC, okay? To qualify for the 7th level, total number of partners from 2,000 people, okay, 2,000 people in the structure, the whole overall, with total volume of 17 million EDC. Okay. To qualify for the 8th level, the total number of people in the structure is 5,000. 5,000 people in your structure, with a total volume of 100 million EDC. To qualify for the 9th level, the total number of people in the structure is 10,000 people, with a total volume of 600 million EDC. Well, qualifying for 10th level, the total number of people already in the structure is at least 20,000 people. Certainly, more people is always possible. It's always welcome. And in this case, it's most likely. And the total volume of the entire structure is over 1,800,000,000 EDC. And you receive interest from daily accruals with partners, 10% from the 1st level, 2nd level, 8%, and further go down, 7%, 6%, 5%, 4%, 2%, and 1%, 9th, 8th, 9th, and 10th levels. Okay. KYC users verification process. Know your customer. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process of verifying the identity of customers. The objective of KYC is to prevent international companies from being used by criminal elements for money laundering activities. It also enables enterprises to understand its customers and their financial dealings to serve them better and manage the risks prudently, okay? Know Your Customer is done for Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The convenience of customers and our services. For all of you, we have provided 3 levels, 3 steps of KYC procedure for full verification, removing all restrictions. You need to provide the following documents together with the completed application form from you. First, passport. Second, selfie with an open page with your photo and personal data in your passport, and sheet of paper with the current date and the code word ECRO. Okay? Third, a document confirming the address of registration. Could be proof of address, bank statements, telephone bills, fine receipts, taxes, or any other account with a name, your name, and the address that you live in. All submitted documents are valid only 3 months, last 3 months, okay, and must be written in English. Documents must be photographed without highlights or effects and must be readable. Size 1 photo must not exceed 5 megabytes. Format is JPG or PNG. To prevent compromise of sensitive client data, documents and information are uploaded through a special interface in a client account using a secure HTTPS protocol. Okay. Join EDC Blockchain team now and discover new technologies. Thank you for your time. Have a productive week. Until next time.
Reflection, vector.